So, so what we have discussed in earlier class, basically, we have understood what is JDK and what is JVM and what is JRE, right? So, if I say I want you to write a Java program, so to write a Java program and execute, we should have the software installed in our machine. So there is a couple of steps that was involved to install the software. I will tell you. So the first thing is we should have the JDK software. This is the software which needs to be installed in our machine to write any of the Java program and to execute the Java program in our local machine. So there is a couple of steps that was involved to install the JDK. The first thing is we have to download the JDK from the official website. The moment you done with a download, you can go to downloads and get the exe file and install it. After that, we have to validate whether it is installed properly or not. There will be a command called Java version. So when you click on this command, it should display the Java version, which version of JDK that you have installed in your machine, that we should be able to see it. So this is how the steps will be involved in JDK installation. I will quickly show you the steps. Since this software is already installed in my machine, can you share your screen so that I can do in your machine? Please share your screen. Fine. So let me take the controls and provide me the control. I am requesting for control. Fine. Perfect. So go to Google first. Then you can click on JDK 1.8 download. Right. So this is the website. Here is the place we have to download it. You click on Java SE Standard Edition Development Kit 8 downloads. Right. So from here, you can see this is a Windows machine, right? So we have to select the Windows and hopefully it is 64-bit, right? So you have to click here and you have to select this checkbox and download the JDK. So it will ask for Oracle sign-in. We should have this sign-in to download the specific software. If you don't have the access, you can create a new user account and you can use that account to download it. If you are already having that Oracle account, you can use your username and password to download that, right? So I have the user account. So I was able to log in. So the moment I click on the login, the download will be started. So this is kind of SSO, single sign-on. It will validate the user whether you have the account or not. Once this successfully verified, you should be able to download the JDK. So we will wait for a minute. So let download complete. So I will recommend a specific folder to be created in your hard drive. So it will be better for you to track what is the practices or exercises that you are doing. So keep the education related software in a folder so that it will be easy. Here we can create the workspace and we will keep our all softwares that we are downloading. Okay, so I'm creating the new folder here. This is Java related softwares. Okay, so now I will go to downloads and this is downloaded. And you can copy this and you can place this software inside the software folders. So now you have executable file and JDK like downloaded from the official website. You're done with the step one. Then you can do the double click on that software. So it will start installing. You can click on S. I was not able to see that pop up. Perfect. So let me click S here. So the moment you click on double click, you will see this pop up and click next. Here you can click next. So it is started installing your machine. It will take few minutes. So it is preparing to install. And click next. One moment. There is some process is happening on background. Click next. It will take few minutes. So what it is doing basically, it is downloading all the required JRE, Java Runtime Environment libraries. So everything will be set up in our process. It may take few minutes. So once you are done with the installation, we can able to verify whether that is installed properly or not. So I will explain once the installation is happened. It may take very less time based upon the system configuration. If system having the less processor, it may take few minutes. So it will ask for JRE destination. So we will select the same, whichever recommended by default, and click on next. So now it is setting up the JRE libraries in the C drive programming files and JRE location. Basically, it will not take this much time. Seems like the system having less memory, so that's why this took this much of time. Installation is completed, and click on close and open command prompt. CMD. Okay. So open this, and here you can click Java space Java space hyphen that is a forward slash hyphen. So this is hyphen and version V and enter. No, V is enough. Enter. Try to give a Java version. Java space hyphen version. So here you can see we have downloaded Java 1.8.031 and we have installed successfully. So if you check on the Java version from the command line interface, you can see the Java version which is installed in our machine. So this is how we will validate whether JDK installed successfully or not, right? So JDK installation is completed. So this is the starting point to write any of the Java class. What we did basically, we have created the environment to work on creating the new Java classes, whatever it may be, programs, project, whatever it may be. So now we have the environment ready to start creating the Java classes. Clear? Right.